Have you ever sneezed and accidentally leaked a little urine? You're not alone. This is more common than you think. This happens because of something called stress incontinence. When you sneeze, pressure inside your abdomen suddenly increases. This pressure pushes down on your bladder. At the same time, the muscles that normally hold urine may not react fast enough. As a result, a small amount of urine can leak out. This is more likely if your pelvic floor muscles are weak. Factors like pregnancy, aging, or frequent strain can contribute to this. The good news is that simple exercises can help strengthen these muscles. Understanding this can help you manage and prevent it.